Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Gmail labels, a simple yet powerful way to organize your emails and take control of your inbox. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by countless messages, this tutorial is perfect for you. First things first, log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen and click on More to expand the menu. Here, you'll see the option Create New Label. This is where the magic begins. It's your first step to turning a messy inbox into a well-organized hub. Now, it's time to give your label a name. Think about categories that make sense for you. Maybe work, receipts, personal, or family. The key is to keep it intuitive so you can find and file emails quickly. Once you've chosen a name, click Create, and your new label is ready to use. Next, let's start organizing your emails. Select any email by checking the box next to it, then click the three vertical dots at the top of your inbox and choose Label As. A list of your labels will appear. Simply select the label you just created, and your email is neatly categorized. Want to see all emails under a specific label? Just click the label on the left sidebar, and Gmail will show you all messages in that category in one tidy list. For a touch of personalization, you can even add colors to your labels. Hover over a label, click the three dots, and choose Label Color. Pick a color that suits your style. This makes it even faster to spot emails at a glance. If you want more control, go to Settings, greater than See All Settings, greater than Labels. Here, you can show or hide labels in the sidebar, edit or delete them, and manage how they appear in messages. This gives you ultimate flexibility to make Gmail work the way you want. And that's it. By using Gmail labels, you can keep your inbox clean, organized, and easy to navigate. Practice these steps, and you'll soon have a system that saves you time and stress. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. See you in the next video.